Amajezi ayeqokwe abadlali baseNingizimu Afrika emqhudelwaneni wama-Olimpiki ngo-2016 eRio de Janeiro eBrazil ayewundaba mlonyeni nabadlali bawemukela ngezandla ezifudumele. Kodwa-ke lamajezi athola ukugxekwa ngokungabalingani kahle abanye abadlali kanye nokungabi sezingeni elifanele kokuthungwa kwawo. Manje isasikhoke ibambisene nesitolo esithunga impahla zezemidlalo Mr Price Sports ukuzogqokisa abadlali abaya kuma-Olimpiki.
The interest of the athlete is at heart. And the quality of clothing that you're going to see tonight is going to be that principle that SASCOC is trying to follow as well.
Njengamanje bangama-60 abadlali sebevele bayodlala kwama-Olimpiki kanti uma sebebonke kulindeleke ukuthi babe ngama-200. Iqembu lesizwe lanqoba izindondo eziyishumi emqhudelwaneni owedlule nokuyindondo ezengeze kangezine kulezi ezatholakala emqhudelwaneni wama-Olimpiki eLondon ngo-2012. Begqugquzelwa amajezi amasha abadlali bathi bafuna ukwenza kangcono kulomqhudelwano.
It's amazing to feel the way we do when we walked out there. I mean, you could see it from the time we got on the runway, you're feeling it, you're enjoying it, and it represents us as athletes. When we get onto that platform, you want to give it everything you got. You want to represent, and that's exactly what we're going to do in this year.
Athletes have been really anticipating this moment, and also the uncertainty, they weren't sure whether it's going to happen or not. But you know, athletes are always hungry to go to the games, and they didn't want to miss this one, so they stayed ready. Although the circumstances didn't allow them in the beginning of the pandemic.
Umqhudelwano wama-Olimpiki uzoqala ngomhla zi-33 kwezokwethwasa bese uphothulwa ngomhla zi-9 kuNcwaba.